Back again to my channel, the Ruangtabroni channel. This time we will draw an airplane. This is an example of an airplane image that we want to draw. Now we will start drawing starting from the head of the plane, then followed by the next line. Start slowly. If the video is too fast, you can stop it for a moment, then continue. Follow each step by step. After that, start to color it. After that, start to color it. The drawing process is complete. Happy drawing and following the steps. Thank you. Welcome to see you again.